Have you ever imagined living or breathing in garbage-free India? If that happens, wouldn't that be one of the good news of the year 2020, especially during COVID times where the hygiene is the foremost issue? Believe you me, that's not the far-fetched dream anymore, because the results of the ratings of garbage-free cities are out. Hi, I'm Neha Nagpal. Welcome to Property Matters. Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Urban and Housing Affairs, has recently announced Navi Mumbai, Surat, Rajkot, Indore and Ambikapur, which is in Chhattisgarh, as 5-star garbage-free cities.
We have seen the behavioral change that was required, and then, although COVID started rearing its ugly head, something that many of us had foreseen in the first few months of 2020, and then we came into the lockdown. But I think that behavioral change is even more evident now. The efforts made by the sanitation workers, street vendors, mazdoors and common citizens. All urban local bodies, large and small, are putting all their resources to ensure that citizens are safe. Regular mechanical and manual sanitization drives are being done across urban India. Cities are littered with garbage. This has seeped into the consciousness of the urban local bodies. Now, when cities are graded according to this garbage-free protocol, they can justifiably take pride in the fact that they have either a 1-star or a 3-star or a 5-star rating.
Overall, 65 cities have been given 3-star rating and 70 cities have got 1-star rating among the total 1435 cities that applied. During the assessments, 1.19 crore citizen feedback and over 10 lakh geotag pictures were collected and 5,175 solid waste processing plants were visited by 1,210 field assessors. While 698 cities cleared the desktop assessment, 141 cities have been certified with star rating during field assessment. Karnal, New Delhi, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Chandigarh, Bhilai Nagar and Ahmedabad are among 3-star garbage-free rating, while Delhi Cantonment, Vadodara and Rohtak are among the 1-star garbage-free cities. Along with this, Ministry of Housing has also launched the revised protocol for star rating.
जो पोर्टल का आज माननीय मंत्री जी अभी इसको लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं गार्बेज फ्री के बारे में, कंप्लीट ट्रांसपेरेंट सिस्टम के साथ एक डिटेल, अगर कोई शहर ये कहता है कि हमको 3 स्टार मिलना चाहिए था और हमें 1 स्टार मिला, वो क्यों 1 स्टार मिला? आने वाले साल में जो हम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस हुआ कि बहुत बड़े शहर जैसे कि जो मेगा सिटी थे 40 लाख से ज्यादा आबादी वाले शहर है, ऐसे शहरों को पूरे शहर को, जैसे कि बॉम्बे शहर है, अगर उसका स्टार रेटिंग करना चाहे तो इनके लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉसिबल है कि ग्रेनुलर लेवल पे जाकर के हर एक चीजें कर ले। तो एक नई चीज शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं कि आप उसके एक वार्ड को भी चाहे तो इसका स्टार रेटिंग करा सकते हैं।
5 years ago, Housing Ministry has introduced the annual cleanliness survey for urban India called Swachh Sarvekshan. After the success of Sarvekshan, the government has come up with a star rating protocol for garbage-free cities in January 2018. This star rating initiative has been developed by Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. Under this, all Indian cities will be rated on the 7-star rating system based on the cleanliness indicators for solid waste management. What are they? Let's check out. Door-to-door garbage collection system, segregate waste at source, how often sweeping is done at commercial, residential and public areas, how effectively waste is managed through scientific processing like litter bins, storage bins, etc., status of scientific landfills, the management of the plastic waste, construction and demolition management, dump remediation and citizen grievance redressal system. From 1 to 7, the cities can be rated anything between in these numbers in line with the protocol conditions specified for each of the rating. If any city is aiming for a 3-star rating or above, then it is mandatory for that particular city to be an open defecation free, which is also called ODF. So how this rating works? Initially, cities have to rate themselves. Once that is done, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs carry out an additional verification through an independent third party to certify these cities as 3-star, 5-star or 7-star. Also, cities have to get recertified every year to retain their star status. The most important feature under this is the SMART rating system. SMART is an abbreviation of Single Metric Measurable Achievable Rigorous Verification Targeted. It provides stakeholders with a single metric to rate a city's cleanliness rather than evaluating them separately with multiple factors that contribute to a city's overall cleanliness and garbage-free status. So how can you apply for the rating and how it has been evaluated? A city authority have to start by filling a common city profile that further leads them to fill the GFS MIS on SBM Urban Portal. After that, they have to check for a self-assessment scores on the SBM Urban Portal. Once that is done, they apply for a star rating as per the eligibility on SBM Urban Portal. After these 4 steps, the documents get uploaded and the declaration happens on the GFS portal. These documents then sent to the third party verification. The third party verification also happens at a various level. First, it is divided between the desktop assessment and the field level assessment. The field level assessment is done through a citizen validation and also by the independent observation. After all this process, the appropriate recommendation is been sent to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs by the third party. And after that, the final GFS certification is been given, which is valid for 1 year.
The intention is to institutionalize as well as bring consistency and transparency when it comes to SWM, solid waste management, focusing on the cleanliness as well as strengthening of these systems. Further, the performance of star rating was also given significant weightage in the Swachhta Sarvekshan, providing a comprehensive view of cleanliness in Swachh Sarvekshan and star rating. It is not merely a question of sanitation. It's not merely a question of hygiene. You actually enhance the property value. The pandemic through which we are going now will add another dimension to that. And I'm 100% sure that we will come out of this not only strongly but in a very robust manner, and it will result in the transformation of the country on the sanitation, hygiene and health standards.
The government objective is to make the garbage-free cities no litter in public, residential or commercial locations. 100% waste-free cities wherein the waste generated is scientifically managed. To add that, via this protocol, government is pushing really hard for the steady reduction in waste generation. The government is doing their bit. Are you? I hope you like this video. If you have any query, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video as well. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe MBTV. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.